Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are going to be talking about how I got screwed over by my wig manufacturer. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I know it's really difficult if you are a wig maker out there and you're trying to find these manufacturers all around the world. We know that China does have some great resources for wigs, and the machine commercial wigs now have boomed so much. So I've been working with this one manufacturer. I'm sure some of you have probably either heard me say or been in the room when I say Kevin, oh, it's a Kevin wig. So we kind of mock them as Kevin wigs. So it was my manufacturer that I would get basically all of my foundations from. So foundations and hair and everything, I would just go through him. We had a great relationship. I'm not gonna lie to you. I gave him so much money, okay? So we're looking into like the 200,000 area for a year of work with me. So it was quite upsetting when I placed my last order. Dun, dun, dun. So I wanted to try a new cap. I wanted to, I've been working for him for a while now. So I sent him some lace. So I sent him like a lot of my personal HD lace that I like to use on my wigs. So I said, hey, why don't I just send you some? So then you can just do the fronts with my lace and the backs with yours, or just make a whole one. We're testing, we're doing some demos, we're testing it out. And paid uberance amount of money to ship this said lace to Kevin. And he said, oh, it'll take about a month to do. All right, fine, great. So I'm waiting and waiting, nothing. Good old WhatsApp. Hey babe, where you at? Where is it? Radio silence. So 4 months has gone by now, and I am still waiting for Kevin to reply. So I'm just putting this video out there for you guys so that we all get screwed over some way or another. I've bought like everything. We're trying to find the most cost-effective ways so we can actually make a profit in our businesses. And sometimes we waste a lot of money. So with everything that I do put out there for you, please don't think that I'm just getting a sponsorship from someone and just like saying to buy it. It's because I've actually taken time to go through it. I've spent so much money. I even have done like, ooh, just buy wigs here, there, and there. And then of course I find a good one and then I can't remember. So all this trial and error that I've done on my end is here to help you so you don't have to go through it. So please make sure you like and subscribe down below so that you can stay in tune on all the things that I am doing. And I'm literally going to be spilling my guts on this channel of everything that I have gone through, all the trials and tribulations, so it can help you become a better wig maker and to become the best wig hacker that you can. Don't forget, your hair talks, so let's make a statement together, and that's either with a wig or without a wig, because you never know. Because a good wig, you never know that it's a wig. So make sure subscribe and click the button so you can get some notifications, and you and I can be on our hair journey together.